I'm gonna put you guys up on the thing, and we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, so we are back at the shop. I did go over into the sneaker place. I actually found another pair of shoes. They're actually the same pair as these Jordans. They were the same price. They were like 70 or 80. And they're super comfortable. That's the whole reason why I seen them and I was like, you know what? I have to get these because I know they're going to be really comfortable. A lot of my other Jordans, like my retro ones, they're just not comfortable. Ones are pretty comfortable. There's not a lot of sole to them. Like they're like... they have very thin soles, but they are really comfortable. It's just kind of like wearing Converse. But yeah, we're going to get in. I'm going to show you all of the things that I picked up. Like, I'll get a little bit closer in depth on the labels, some of the high-end brands that I did pick up. And we're going to have to definitely research that Armani, that Giorgio Armani shirt, which has a really high value. So we're definitely going to have to look that up. I'm going to put you guys up on the thing. And we're going to go from there. Alright, okay, so I went over into the sneaker place. I got this hat. It was $5. It looks like someone wore it, and I don't know how that worked out, but it's brand new. I don't know if that's just like a scuff. I'm going to try to clean that out. Otherwise, I'm going to have to sell it used. But it is a size 7. It's a really dope hat. I love this hat. It's just, it's too small. It's a size 7, and I'm like a 7 1/4, or what do we got on today? Yep, that one's a 7. It just depends on the hat. Most of the 5950s, the new errors are, or I'm a 7 1/4, sometimes a 7 1/8. It just depends. Depends on the hat. All right, so we're definitely going to make money off of this polo bag. We're going to get this listed today. After I'm done this video showing you guys all this stuff, like more, how would I put it, more in depth, I'm gonna start listing it. So we're just gonna dump this stuff out like this. I will show you a little bit closer. Yeah, she just like threw these all. That's why. That's the only thing about the Salvation Army. They just, if you buy a lot of stuff, they don't fold it, they don't do anything. They shove it right in the bag. There's the receipt. That there. And I saved the bags because the Salvation Army bags are really big. They're like, I can use these, put these in my smaller trash cans. So, here, we're just going to dump this out. And I'm going to show you guys, what is that? That's all the polo stuff that I got to do. Here is the, now when I looked this up, it said reversible. So, I don't know. The buttons will be, yep, it is reversible because there's a button there, and then the button's on the inside as well. So that means that this is reversible. It was really cheap. I could have went there today and got it cheaper than that. Got it for $4, but $8 ain't bad. It needs a lot of work. It's really pilled. I'm gonna have to actually spend some time on this, and I'm not gonna do. I might do it. I don't know. We'll put it over there, and we'll decide later. And then this is really cool. It's pink, so it's a really good color. I think it might have been half off. I don't remember if green. I think green was half off. So it was only $5. I'm thinking maybe I could get 20 for this. I should start charging shipping because a lot of people would sell this for $20 and then they would charge $8 shipping and then people pay it. So I just don't get it. I do flat rate $5 shipping on anything over £1. Most everything like sweaters and jeans and things like that. Which I actually thought about even upping that up to about $7, but not yet. That's just something to think about. But when it comes to doing free shipping, I understand you get better search, but eBay's just going in so many directions now that it has your head spinning, and it's really hard to keep up with that, and I'm kind of getting tired of it. I'm really getting to the point where it's very frustrating. I love eBay. I love selling on eBay. For 8 years, it's made me a lot of money. And it's getting to the point where it's just getting, is it worth it, you know? But this is cool. This is actually almost like a floral. It kind of has like a paisley what do you call that design? I can't remember. It's like the Saints design, the New Orleans Saints. This is actually made in USA. I didn't see that. So this is a Pendleton. It's made in USA. It was only $4. It was just sitting there. It was right just like that, just for the plucking. It was like cherry picked. But yeah, no one grabbed it. So, you know, of course I did. And here's Canali. This is the brand, another brand that I was telling you about. I don't know. Some of the labels do better. This one is a brown label. I've seen the white label. I actually think the brown label is newer than the white label. I'm not sure. It does have a little scuff. It is a French cuff. This is a French cuff when it folds over like that. It's called a French cuff. There is a little dirt spot right there. I think that's probably just from it being drug around. But as far as I can tell, the collar looks good. It's a little wrinkled because they threw it in. And I hate that, guys. I hate when they do that. It really frustrates me too when they do that with dress shirts, because you got, you know, they have to look good, and then when they do that, they don't look so good. I thought this was really cool. It was only $3. It is actually Pennsylvania. It's the Laurel Caverns bats. Anyone that likes bats is probably really going to want this shirt. It's a nice color. It's a cool pink, purple color. Here are some of these. I actually should go back and spend $100 and get more. They're all going to be half off anyway. But I think I kind of grabbed the ones that are going to be the best sellers. The rest of them are going to sit forever. These are really cool. They're a cargo utility. They're called Comfort Cargo Pants. It says Mrs. It says size 10 MT. I don't know what that means. Mrs. Let me see if we can see. I'm looking for the size. There's a tag there, but there it is. It is size 10 MT. I don't. It's a classic fit, but I don't know what the MT means. Mrs. It just looks like they just look like regular. So I don't know, but they're really nice. They're very nice. Those are cool. Then we got these corduroy ones. I tried to concentrate on bigger sizes. These are a 6, but they're cargo. I didn't see any other. There probably was a lot of them, and they might have just been selling. I think these were all returns. These are all LO being returned. Maybe somebody bought a bunch of them, like bought a whole lot and then just returned all of it. I don't know what happened, but some of the tags say return on them. Or maybe these are slim leg cargo pants, corduroy. It says LO being outlet returned. See? But I don't know if I should just take that off. Maybe that's, I don't know. See, I don't know, guys. Maybe that you just need that label to return them. There's nothing wrong with them. Like, none of them, I don't think they have any issues. So, I guess we'll find out, right? But one stop, I think it was, we did spend up a little bit. I think it was like $111. Was it $100? 85. That's what we spent. We spent $85. I don't think that's bad at all. I think we're going to do well, especially if we get $80 for this. Like I said, I'm going to look this label up. Giorgio Armani. It does look a little sketchy. I'm going to actually try to find it. I'm going to do that right now, guys. So I'm going to need my Google Lens. I'm going to need my phone. I'm going to try to find that label. Because I've never seen that label. Alright guys, so I did some extensive research. It is vintage. And it is authentic. It says Giorgio Armani on the buttons. Says the Giorgio Armani right there on the buttons. This is I think this is a cotton polyester. The one that I seen was a cotton polyester blend. There was a tag. There's a tag right there, but it's old, so it's worn out, and that was the material tag. So I don't know if this was like, I'm trying to find another tag. See if there's another one somewhere that would tell me, you know, if this was. So I don't know if this is made in Italy. I don't know if it's made in USA. There's a tag there. And there's just that tag there, and it doesn't say, you know, where it was made. So that's the only thing that's a little conflicting with this shirt. So I'm not 100% positive, but you know, we'll see. All right, so I don't remember if this is not made in USA, but it was $4 for a Land's End chamois, and they usually do really well. The Woolrich ones usually do a little better, made in USA, but this, I was not leaving this behind. I love the plaid on this. That's called Glen Plaid. It's not a great brand. It's got a pin right here. At least I know it was dry cleaned. It's got a dry cleaning tag on it. October 19th. Don't even know. Whoops. I don't really keep the pins. I have so many of them. There's no reason for me to keep any more. This is an Enrico Capriano. I haven't even looked the brand up, but I wasn't going to leave this for $6. The condition is is absolutely flawless. It's a pretty jacket. It's real pretty. So, you know, I couldn't leave that behind. I had to grab that. Same with this. I definitely had to grab this. I'm going to take, it's made in the Republic of China. Whenever you see ROC, that means Republic of China. This is a wool blend. It's acrylic and wool. There's only a little bit of wool in it, but it is Gap. So, you know, Gap's not like the greatest, the most expensive, but it is really, really nice. That's called like a flecked or a speckled design. So, yeah. I was not leaving this behind either, so, and it wasn't that much. And we got, these were cargo. These are a big size. They're a size 18 regular. These'll do really well come time for when it starts getting warm out. They have a $45 tag on them. They were half off, so they were only $4. They took $4 off of the $7.99. I was watching her when she was ringing everything up. I got 2 pairs of them. Here's another pair. They're a smaller size. These ones are, let's see, these ones are a size 10, but they're regulars, so they're just like, they're a regular size. They're not like a short or anything, you know, petite or anything like that. And these I thought were really cool. These have a really dope design on them. See the buttons on the other side because it's women's. It says L.O. Bean and Company. Hunting and camping specialties. Leon Wood Bean. Design Freeport, Maine. Satisfaction guaranteed. So maybe this is all vintage L.O. Bean. I don't know. It's not made in USA. These are made in India. It's just these are really cool. They have a stretch waist. They have the cargo pockets on the side. These are a 14 regular. I really like this color. There was so many pairs. I didn't want to walk away with every single pair. I didn't want to just buy all of them. I didn't want to do that. I would have spent a fortune and all my money would have just been tied up, and you know, I got a big bill coming out this week, so I was like, I better not spend a whole lot. And these are really nice. These are a 16. These are a petite, but they're lined. These are flannel lined, and they're brand new. So these will do really well. We'll go ahead and get these listed today. They'll do awesome. You can't beat new. You know what I mean? Jelly Bean. These are a classic fit. These are a lot of them are going to be a 16 regular. These are cargo as well. Like I said, they are brand new. They have the creases down the side, but I'm not creasing them like that. There's the receipt. That is the Salvation Army. That shows you everything that was on there. I usually just take the 2 receipts and I staple them together. They used to do that when you go there. They'll do it if you ask them to. And then these are nice too. These have like a ripcord on them. They are a big size too. They are a 16. They're a 16 petite. Unfortunately, yeah. Favorite fit 16 petite. So they don't look that short. So petite is like a short size, like a smaller size, but like I said, they don't look that small to me. And last I probably should have checked the zippers on this to make sure they work. Last but not least, it was only 6 doll hairs. We got the Marlboro. It's like Country Store or something. What's it called? Marlboro Unlimited Gear. Let me take that tag off so I can show you what. And it was brand new. And anything vintage Marlboro is going to do really well. So $6. Of course, I wasn't going to leave it. It's really nice Marlboro fleece. Very nice. I don't know what they're worth, but it's only $6. So, and have a feeling that this is going to be light enough to go first class. So we'll go ahead and get that. We're going to get that listed first. We're going to move all this crap out of here. Get it all out of the way. And we are going to... We're going to start listing, guys. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked the little journey that I took today. The one pair of shoes that I got for my son, because I was sending him screenshots. I was taking pictures and sending them through Snapchat, seeing if he liked any of the shoes that I saw. And he didn't like any of them, and I grabbed the wrong pair by accident anyway. So I screwed it up no matter what. And I paid $60 for these Nikes, so I can't resell them. Someone has them online listed for like 120, but there's no way in hell they're going to sell for that, because I've seen the sold listings and they're like between $40 and $60. So there's no money to be made for me to try to resell them. So I'm just going to take them back. And I might just jump up in the Salvation Army again. I'm not going today because I have to clean out my the truck. When I was in business with my son-in-law, I got to get my clothing racks off that truck. And I'm going to use bins that we got from a storage buy. Really nice bins with lids and handles and wheels, like beautiful bins. I'm just going to give them all of those bins. I don't really need them. I may keep 1 or 2 just for the shop, but other than that, I sold all my bins. I don't need them. I don't do bins anymore. I do boxes, which I probably should do bins because they keep your clothes fresher, away from moisture and things like that, and mold and stuff. So, but anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel, notification bell down there. Just bing, hit the notification bell to get notified when I post another video. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Peace out.